Hi students, today we are going to learn how to draw a still life with pencil shading. A still life is a drawing or painting that focus on still object. For this drawing, you need one HB pencil or 2B pencil. You can use one 4B pencil and you need one 6B pencil. And you must have a eraser with you. You can take any kind of objects which is available around you. You can take books, flower vase, toys, anything which is available. So today I have one green mug and one small ceramic pot. Now you must watch this video very carefully. First you have to start with the basic shape. So this is the basic shape. Now gradually I am developing the shape. Observe it very carefully. And one thing you must remember that you should not erase the lines again and again. First, roughly you have to complete the drawing, then you have to erase the unwanted lines. So this is the basic drawing. If you want, now we can erase the unwanted lines. So you must remember that basic shape is very important. You always start with the basic shape and step by step you will develop the drawing. Now I am using HB pencil. First you have to observe the dark part of the object. See, this is the dark part, this is the dark part. And this is fast tone. This is fast tone. Okay. Now I am using 4B pencil. This is second tone. See, this is the most darkest part of this object. So you can use 6B pencil here. See this portion. This upper part is very light and the down part is little bit dark. So I'm trying to make this dark portion right now. You must remember that the light play a important role in still life painting. You must observe the light portion and dark portion very carefully. This is the main thing. Again and again you have to observe and see there is two colors. Upper portion is yellow ochre and the lower portion is white. So first you have to draw the upper part that is little bit dark. Whenever you feel, you can change your pencil. Now I am using 4B pencil. See the light and shade between the object, the reflections. These all are very important. Minutely you have to follow this. Similarly, this portion is little bit dark and the lower part is dark and this portion is light. And no object appears too dark or too light. See the light and shade between the objects, the shadows cast beneath and around the objects. These are very important. Now I am going to draw the shadows. Now I am using 6B. For extreme dark. You can get the extreme dark. So this is the basic idea. I think you are enjoying. Now you have enough time so you can practice and develop your drawing skill. Keep practicing. Thank you.